Hey, welcome, brothers and sisters of Malaysia Faisal Aziz. I hope that you are well. In this video, I will talk about the difference between filter and map. But before this, let's see what is stream. How to get it. So stream, to get stream, we do like this. Stream interface s equal collection dot method stream. Okay? Collection here, you need collection of object array list, what you want, huh? Okay? And the stream method here is a new method that has been added to collection interface as default method. Okay, here I enter in detail. And the stream interface has been introduced also in Java 1.8 in package java.util. Okay, now we have got our stream. Okay, to get stream, we use stream method. Now we have got our stream. Now we can make some operation. And to make this operation, to make this processing of operation, we make two steps. The first step is configuration, and the second is processing. How to configure the stream? We make the configuration by filter mechanism or by mapping mechanism. Okay? Now we will see in detail what is filter, what is map. I have made an example before, but now I will just enter in detail to understand very well. Let's start with map. With filtering. So filtering is if we want to retrieve some values from our collection. Not all, maybe all if a condition is respected, no problem for our object, but the filtering we use it if you want to retrieve some object from our collection based on some condition. Okay? So here we use filtering configuration. And to configure the filter, we will use the filter method that exists in the stream interface. Okay, I repeat, we use filtering if you want to retrieve some object from our collection based on some condition. Okay, if this condition is respected, so we can get them. If it is not the case, they live in the at home. Oops, I stay at home. Okay? So, to configure the filter, we will use the filter method that exists in the interface stream. And the prototype of the filter method is like this inside the interface stream. Public stream, total stream, filter, and it contains the argument predicate. Okay, predicate t type t. So simple like this. So it contains condition. Here in the argument predicate, they can be the variable Boolean function, the term function is the Boolean, or another expression. Okay? So if we make an example, the previous one is like this: stream s equal list one dot stream dot filter, and between parentheses e simple arrow e divided by 2 equal a 0 or no. Okay, it's so simple like this. Now for the mapping configuration. What is the mapping? Mapping, we use mapping if you want to get all the objects from our collection, all. But we're doing some operation in this for this object. Okay? I don't want to let anyone. I want to get them all. Repeat, all. Okay, it's very important. So here I will use mapping configuration. And to configure the mapping, we'll use the method map that exists in the interface stream interface. The prototype of the method map inside stream interface is like this. Public, it returns stream map, and the argument is, what is argument? Is function, predefined function interface. Function with t as input argument and r of return type argument. F, it is so simple like this. And if I make an example, I do it before, I want to add 10 for each value of my list. So stream s equal list1 dot stream dot map, open parenthesis, put my non expression. Here, e, simple arrow, e plus 10. Okay? So remember these two methods, please, in the stream interface. Stream is the package java.util, okay? So filter, we use filter if you want to retrieve some value from our collection, some object of our collection based in the condition, and we use mapping, method map, if you want to get all the values. We're making some processing operation in our collection. Okay, but all the values are going to get all the values, all object. Okay, so see you inshallah in this video to see new thing about stream interface. We continue step by step until we finish all this new feature inshallah. And at this moment, take care of us. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.